In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. So in order to buy crypto on crypto.com, it's very simple. All you have to do is watch this video till the end, follow the instruction as guided. In order to begin with the procedure, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you know the drill, check your internet connection and make sure that you've already updated your application. If not, head over to your respective Play Store and then update your application. Once the application is completely updated, open up your crypto.com and then log in into your account. So in order to buy crypto on crypto.com, you'll need to first of all set up fiat wallet. You need to first of all set up a fiat wallet. And also you need to make sure to link a bank account or debit card or whatever payment sources. So then to begin with, click the account icon located right at the bottom. Next page, you'll be provided with 3 different options. So in order to begin with the procedure or to buy cryptos, select fiat wallet right at the bottom and go through the prompt and set up a fiat wallet. But if you've already set up your fiat wallet, then you do not need to follow the steps. After you're done setting up the fiat wallet, head over to your home page once again and click the trade icon from the top left hand side. So as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the crypto wallet. From here, you need to select the particular crypto that you wish to buy. So select it, and next page you'll be provided with 2 different options, that is either to buy crypto or to sell crypto. So if you want to buy crypto, tap the buy button and then you'll be able to see on the lower half of your screen this sort of interface. So here it's the amount. You'll be asked to enter in the amount of crypto that you wish to buy, and you also need to add your credit cards or bank account since you have to pay for it, and click the submit button located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully bought cryptos, and that's basically how you can buy crypto on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.